Coding. Oh, my God. There was a time when I used to stare at the computer screen with zero clue what to do. No coaching, no mentor, even no one to explain what a single line of code meant. I used to ask myself, am I even smart enough for this? If you're someone trying to learn coding without guidance, this video is only for you. So let's smash it. I didn't come from a fancy background. No extra classes. No tech-savvy parents. Just a second-hand laptop. And a burning desire to build something of my own. In the beginning, it was frustrating. I started with C, then tried Python, then shifted to Java, all in confusion. I watched random videos, copied code blindly, and cried silently when it didn't work. I thought coding was for genius people. But here's the truth. It's not. It's for people who are ready to fail, learn, and try again. One night, I found a free video explaining loops in a way that clicked. For the first time, I understood. I didn't need coaching. I needed clarity. That's when I made a decision. Instead of searching shortcuts to learn coding fast, I started searching for how to think like a programmer. I made a simple routine, 1 hour to watch tutorials, 1 hour to practice code. I didn't understand everything in one day, but I promised myself this. 1 line of code a day is still progress. And trust me, that promise changed my life. I know what it feels like when your friends go to expensive coaching and you sit alone at home trying to figure out on your own. I know how hard it is to stay motivated when no one's clapping for you. But I also know this. You are not behind. You're just building in silence. And one day, that silence will turn into applause. Today, I may not be a tech genius, but I built projects on my own. I understand code. I solve problems. And most importantly, I now help others who were once like me. If you're starting your coding journey without coaching, remember this. You don't need a class to learn. You need a reason to begin and the courage to continue. 1 hour a day, 1 bug at a time. Learn, fail, improve, because the version of you 6 months from now will thank you for not giving up today. If this story connected with you, share it with someone who's also struggling.